This smells like wealth. So I got this package from Base, West Africa, and I'm about to do an unboxing video to show you guys what's inside this package. I'll open it. Yeah, let's see. Damn. So I would show you. So this is what we have. We have a card, complimentary card. You can see thank you, GM Big Ekesin, big name Ekesin them. So this is the card. We have a match, a sweatshirt. I mean, yeah, it's a sweatshirt, long sleeve. By the way, I can see the sleeves. So I just tried it on and it looks really good for real, bro. I'm so surprised that it got my length. I mean, you know what I'm saying? Looks cool, bro. Based. So what next do we have here? We have, wow, bro, how this car. I don't know, only one way to find out dissecting this. I will just tear it. So let's open it. I know it's reflective too. You can actually see yourself. So this is what thought of. Bro, ooh, this smells like wealth. Thank you, Base West Africa. Thanks so much to the team. Thank you, Base. Thanks to every person that has liked all of my videos, commented, reposted, shared, watched those videos. To everyone. Man, whoever did this need a raise. GM Big Name Ekesin, your work in the ecosystem has truly been felt, from the way you show up consistently to the effort you put into educating, building, supporting, and pushing the Base mission forward. You have become a valuable part of what makes this space vibrant. Keep it on Base.